Hello again. I've got a pair of 1911 grips. These are ivory that my client wanted me to carve eagles on both sides of the grip. So what I've done is I've carboned up a piece of paper and I'm now applying the design on just by tracing over what I've got drawn here. And I'm laying down really heavy line, applying probably more pressure than I need to, only to deposit a generous amount of graphite on this image, because on the other side of the grip, on this grip over here, I'm going to simply flip the paper over. This is my plan, my hopes and my dreams, is that I'm just going to do a rubbing over it, and this graphite should transfer onto the grip right where I want it. So they'll be, well, not identical perhaps, but very close. I don't have to worry about doing the border or the ring around the screw holes, because I can do them freehand on the piece itself. But getting the eagle laid out the same and fitting just right, that's a trick. And I usually do this when I need to duplicate an image. So let's see, I think I've got all my everythings. So let's see what happened. Ta-da! So it's on there, and I can fill in all the blanks. What I do next is lay out the border. Now I'm going to outline this with this tool. This is one of my favorite go-tos. It's got a triangular end on it. The edges are actually sharp. I can use those for scraping and carving as well, but what I use it for mostly is to plow a line. And it cuts a really nice line. It tracks really nice and straight. That's why I like it for these sort of things. I won't make you watch that whole process, but I basically outline the whole eagle and everything in a similar fashion. Once I get these lines cut in, then I can go back and actually start removing the background. I also don't have to worry about rubbing my design off, which can be a problem. All right, so you can see that's got a good deep line. Anyway, I'm going to trace all the way around here. Then I'm going to do I'll probably do the eagle next, and then the rings around the screw holes. I just thought I'd let you in on my transfer trick. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.